I want to show you how to add glowing text in Premiere Pro. First, select your type tool and write some text on your preview screen. Then go to Essential Graphics and modify the text however you want. Now go to Effects and search for Alpha Glow and add the effect to your text layer. Under Effect Controls, change Glow to 40 and Brightness to 220. Then click on Start Color and select the color of your glow. Duplicate your layer by holding Alt and clicking and dragging above to Video Layer 2. Go over to Effects and search for Gaussian Blur and add the effect to your bottom text layer. Now under Effect Controls, modify blurriness to 1000 and change Glow to 100. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.